Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. It's December 21st, Thursday, 2023. I hope you're all doing great because I'm doing great. Yesterday, not so much. Didn't get any sleep, so I picked some locks, got some rest. Now I'm back. I've got a few things to unpack today in this video, so let's get started. First of all, I want to shout out to all my subscribers. Again, thank you to Al Capone for getting it started. Buddy, you've got my eternal gratitude. Thank you. Also, a reminder of my Parkinson's disease quarters jar is full for the month. That's $20 so far. I'm all tapped out of quarters. Also, earlier today, check this out. I visited LadyLocks live stream practice. I had a really good time hanging out with the lock sport community. Truck was there, Lockmania, Picksmith, Lockpicking Gal, and many others. We had a great time watching LadyLocks battle and win against that lock she was picking. I forget what it was called, but it was a bit of a challenge, but she picked it beautifully. It's fun hanging out with those people. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Also, while I was there and we were chatting about locks and whatnot, I asked a question about where did you get this, where did you get that, and she reminded me that you should check out her video. It's LadyLocks video number 197, gear recommendations for under $30. Yes, definitely recommended video. Please go check it out. So let's see. Next, I want to have a worthy mention to Lock Noob's video that just came out today called Fontaine 56 FHQ Lock Pick and Gut. The video is it's absolutely hilarious. Lock Noob's one of the best pickers around, and he's got top-notch content, well presented. Please check out his channel. It's really good stuff. I offer no spoilers to the video. I'm just going to tell you that it was really funny the way it turned out. I might even watch it again. I'm definitely going to watch that again because what happened was really funny. And now on to some lock picking. Yesterday, I did my first tumbler foray into tumblers. And oh no, wait. Here it is, number one. This was the first one I worked on. It's a Defiant 5-pin paracentric lock. Picked 5 times already. So this one was relatively easy considering my low level of experience. I was able to open this without too much difficulty. I would say this was easy. And then number 2, same thing from Defiant. This one's got a key, as you can see. Same thing, 5-pin Defiant tumbler. Again, relatively easy to open, but a wee touch more difficult than the first one. And then the third one I opened was, I don't know how old this is or if it's a third-party manufacturer with a company stamp on it, but it's a 5-pin paracentric keyway mag. And it's got the little registered trademark R. So I don't know if that's a manufacturer or a third party. I don't see any other indications stamped on the metal. There's a piece missing. You can see straight out through the backside of this lock. So this was relatively easy to open. And here we have another 5-pin Defiant paracentric keyway lock, but this one's got like fake gold, brass, whatever that is. Squirted some WD-40 in there. Hopefully it works better. Some of these are a little grubby, like you can see this one. Here's another Defiant 5-pin paracentric keyway lock. It's got some crud on it there. Going to be I'm not going to say it's going to be difficult to open pin pick wise, but it might be difficult to open due to friction, crud, springs not cooperating. Who knows what's going on in there? Now this one here, I believe this to be a 5-pin also, an upper level compared to the other 5 I just displayed. It's got a little more paracentric keyway, and this is a quick set. So I think this will be the next step up the ladder in picking these things. It's going to be a little difficult. I got to figure out what pick to use for that one. And then here we have I have no name. My name is nobody. I believe it to be a 5-pin. No name, no manufacturer stamp, no numbers, nothing. It's a nobody. So I'm gonna save that one for this will be my penultimate tumbler to open. But this one, this little guy is gonna be tough. It's called True Guard. Complicated paracentric keyway. Well beyond my skill level at this point. So let's get to opening these one more time. I believe I used the 40 Z-wrench tensioning arm using bottom keyway tension, or Bach, bottom of keyway. Let's see if I could turn this camera a little bit. There we go. I'm trying different camera views. Considering what I'm working with, I thought it'd be better if I orientate the camera this way so you can more or less see what I'm doing. Now, I say yesterday was yesterday, but it was actually earlier this morning was my yesterday. This one was pretty easy. I just went straight to the back from 1 to 2. Got a nice click on 2. And good click on 3. Good click on 4. 1, I got a return click. I think I lost it. Oh, there I go. I was able to get it back because I had the pick holding 4 back while I went after 5. So you see how easy these are to open. I mean, even for me. So that's 1. Let's see if I can do. Oh wait, gotta mark it down. Yes, it may seem strange making a record of what I'm doing, but I think it's prudent you keep a journal of your progress, especially if you're a beginner. Personally, I would recommend you keep a journal, whether it's a video journal or a written journal or both. Record what you do. Now this one here, number 2, has got a key. Let's see if we can, again, using a 40 Z-wrench for tension, bottom of keyway tension, or Bach. Let's see if we can open up number 2. This one was a little different. It might take me a little longer. And this one's got some crud in it. Spring's got some resistance, but it's just due to age. You can tell there's rough movement in there. It's a little stiff. Yeah, see. Okay. Get 1 out of the way. 2's giving me a little hard. Oh, there it goes. Get 2 out of the way. Go after 3. Got a return click. Sometimes they snap back on you. Not much feedback. You gotta really listen for those clicks. Okay, there's something bound up there because this thing's not moving at all. I get lost in the weeds. Okay, start over. I hear people getting frustrated sometimes, myself included, but when that happens, just do this. You'd be surprised how well just taking a few deep breaths works to calm you down. Om Mani Padme Om. You can remain calm. Lock picking is like a therapy. That's kind of the way I feel about it. One of the facets of lock sport is its therapeutic aspects. You don't see my legs shaking off camera, but I gotta get my brain off my legs and back into my fingers here. Okay, I know it's a little rough. I'm getting return clicks. Just stay calm. What's that meme about keep calm in some activity? Yeah, keep calm in lock sport. Just breathe. I've read more than a few comments about getting tense. You cannot pick when you're tense. Everybody knows this. You got to come up with your own strategy to avoid the tension. Walk away, go have a cigarette, go for a walk, whatever it takes. If you feel you're starting to boil over, walk away. Go put the headphones on, listen to some music or something. But don't tense up. Don't give up. Just reset and try again. But remain calm. There we go. I remember yesterday, this one was a little difficult because of the resistance due to age. There we go. Okay, that's number 2. Mark that down. That's number 6 for this little guy. Put that off to the side. And then we'll go after this one, this mag. Also, for me, I got big hands, and look how small this thing is. So it's not only a challenge to open it, it's a challenge just to hold it. Now, I have a little bit of advantage with this one because there's a piece missing on the back. You can see straight throughout the anus of this thing. So I was able to ascertain fairly quickly that there's 5 pins in there. And it came open relatively easy. When I say easy, I say relatively easy because I'm comparing it to my knowledge and skill, which is limited. So if something like this is easy for me to do, and you can imagine how ridiculously easy it is for someone with much more experience to do. Let me put it into perspective for you. Me being a noob compared to an expert, like McNally, for example, all he's got to do is just look at this and it opens. The guy is that good. A lock sees McNally coming, the lock just gets scared into submission and opens. That's how good he is. Me, I got to do it the old-fashioned way. Fighting PD through lock sport. I'm getting okay. I'm progressing incrementally, tiny percentage points every day. You got to put in the seat time. Even times when I'm not feeling all that great, I don't want to be a vegetable in front of the TV, so I come out here and do a little picking. Every time you pick a lock, you're adding mileage to your experience. Damn, my legs are shaking bad. Fuck. Okay. Calm down. Oh, Mani Padme Hum. Silent fart. Holy fart. Remain calm. Release your bomb. Out the kitchen into the air. Little atoms of poop in the air. Watch all your friends breathe deep. Watch all your friends fall asleep. How's that for random during a lock picking video? I'm trying to distract myself from my legs shaking. Holy shit. Come on. Come on. Well, yesterday was yesterday. It's the difficulty isn't just for me holding this little thing. It's just too small. Plus, I'm starting to get clammy hands here. Now, I know I can do this because I've done it. I just need to do it again and again and again. Come on. Don't be camera shy. I know you want to open. You got pick fright. Don't be afraid. You're old, but you're still in pretty good shape, even though you got some parts amputated. You're still alive. And when I get a pick set, I'm going to gut you. Then we're going to have some real fun. I'm not getting any clicks. Oh, there was some significant clicking there. Also, you know, I'm going to hang on to these for a while. I'm going to make keys for them. Eventually, I want to get the equipment where you can make keys. Let me see if I can see what's going on down there. I still got to pick 2 pins back there. There's to pick out the other side. 2 hours later. Wow. Yeah, yesterday was yesterday. Oh, those other 2 that I opened, I raked them open too. Okay, what you just saw me do is something you should never do. It's a manifestation of frustration because you can't get it open. You think, well, maybe I could rake it open just for the satisfaction of getting it open. I'm going to say that's a bad habit to get into. Because you're on camera, you want your audience to see something exciting and not a failure. And you don't want to bore your audience with a long picking video with something that should have been picked 5 minutes ago. I got it. See? Ooh. Picking it dislodged the core because I think the retaining pin is missing and picking it. Oh boy. Let's just push that back in there and I'm just going to leave it open. So I finally got it. All right, cool. So that's enough lock picking for today. Probably going to be simmering down making videos because the holidays are coming up. But if this is my last video before Christmas, I just want you all to have a very Merry Christmas and be safe and warm and have fun. Thanks for sticking around. Love you all. Bye.